Have you ever been startled by loud thumping coming from your laundry room, sounding like your washing machine is in a boxing match? It is a common household mystery, and thankfully, it often points to a straightforward solution. Your washing machine makes banging sounds primarily due to an imbalanced load during the spin cycle, but it can also be caused by foreign objects trapped inside, worn internal components, or issues with the motor or drive system. These noises are essentially your machine's way of signaling that something is off balance or loose within its mechanics. The most frequent culprit is an uneven distribution of clothes, especially when washing heavy items like blankets or multiple pairs of jeans, which causes the drum to spin erratically at high speeds. This imbalance makes the drum swing wildly, hitting the machine's inner casing, and creating that distinct banging sound. Another common reason is a stray item, such as a coin, key, or even a small toy, that has escaped from a pocket and become lodged between the wash drum and the outer tub. Less often, the suspension rods or springs that hold the wash tub in place can become worn out or damaged, losing their crucial ability to dampen the drum's movement. In some cases, issues with the motor mounts or the drive pulley can also lead to unusual thumping or banging noises as the machine operates. To address these noisy disruptions, first stop the wash cycle and redistribute the laundry evenly around the drum. If the banging persists, check inside the drum for any loose items, and carefully inspect the space between the drum and the agitator or impeller. For persistent banging even with a balanced load, unplug the machine, and carefully tilt it back to inspect the suspension rods underneath. Look for any that appear broken, dislodged, or significantly weaker than the others. You may also want to check the leveling feet to ensure the machine is stable on the floor. Understanding these internal mechanics can help you act quickly, potentially preventing more significant wear and tear on your appliance. Recognizing the difference between a simple imbalance and a worn suspension rod, which helps stabilize the drum, empowers you to either make a quick adjustment or know when a component might need replacing. This proactive approach can extend the life of your washing machine and maintain its efficient operation for years to come. Ultimately, the majority of banging sounds indicate a manageable issue, guiding you to inspect and often easily correct the problem. By understanding these common causes and knowing how to perform a few simple checks, you can maintain a quieter laundry room and help your appliance operate smoothly, saving you both frustration and potential repair costs down the line.